feds. So, little question came up about the Certified Summary of Federal Service, which is the official report that you can get from OPM. It's a little hack that not many people know about, but you can get this official report from OPM. And someone asked, should I do it now or should I wait closer to when I retire? And my thought is, go do it now. You got to make sure. I've had people, no joke, try to retire with 30 years, but OPM just said, nope, you only have 15. They're like, no, I've got 30. And OPM said, nope, 15. And they said, no, 30, 15, 30. And it went back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And he wasn't able to retire because OPM didn't recognize, for whatever, his first 15 years, or had no record of it. So yes, I would rather you have everyone go do that right away, maybe even every 5 years after that, just to make sure OPM has record of everything and is caught up, and that you don't have to have a problem. Because the last thing you want to do is get into retirement or try to retire and realize you can't because OPM's records are wrong. Not a fun place to be, I'll tell you that. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, come to one of our workshops, whatever it takes to learn more about your retirement.